What's going on? Still today. Continuing today. More today. Next. Broken armrest. We can't have that. I like my armrest. I'm gonna pull this door card off. See if we figure out what's broken and get it fixed. I believe there's only a few screws holding the door card on this car. They're hidden behind a couple panels. There's one behind this door handle. My son is also reefing on his exhaust on his truck. It's just a busy day. Just got the house AC up and running again. I'll have a video on that. But as you can probably tell, I'm getting tired. Success?
Did it sound like success?
I'm busy talking to the people. You could live in there. Gotta pop this little sail panel off. Pretty easy. Nothing actually broke. It's nice. Switch panel. It just pops off. I might have to actually unplug it. I was hoping I could just dunk it in the hole. A little locking tab right here. It doesn't do its job. There we go. Goodbye. Just gonna reach under the door panel. Front corner, there's kind of like a recess. You can get your fingers in and just pull it towards you. Get the door panel loose. Push up on it. Got our door light down in the corner. I can't see how that comes off because you guys are in the way. A little locking tab on the plug pops right off. I don't think I need to take these actuator cables off. I just need... Excuse you, kid. Sorry about the convoluted shots. I'm just trying to get this done before I lose daylight. See if I can show you what we're after. So behind this insulation, just like riveted on for some reason. We got our little, you know what, maybe I won't take this off. Looks like this just broke out of it. It'll just plastic welded back together. Everything else seems to be intact, I think. Yeah. Oh, no. The bottoms are all blown out. I suspect it's just the same. Yeah. They're just plastic welded. Probably just plastic. I have a plastic welder. And I can just get these back together. And I'll just do that. Remember, the white cable goes on top. Green one goes on the bottom. I'm going to bring this into the workshop and work on it on the workbench. And I'll grab you guys in a second. Alright, we're in the shop. I don't have a short tripod to put you guys up on the bench. So, hopefully you can see with a little bit of zoom what's going on. I am going to have to take this insulation off. It's like totally in the way. Oh, of course, it's just plastic welded to everything.
No, it's just because that's where they put this little S right here. Because it's this bolt that's the issue. That's the one you can't get to, right?
Didn't we have to use like a really long extension?
That's what I'm
on the impact
right now.
Picked up a 2008 Silverado for my son almost a couple of years ago. It's got a exhaust manifold linked before the cat on the driver's side. He's working on that right now. This is fine with me. I've got my own pile to deal with. Quite the mess. I know this camera doesn't like to do close-ups, but I'll see if I can get you an idea what's going on. So that's broken. Well, that's broken. 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 That's why we got a saggy armrest. I'm just going to try to plastic weld all those mounting points back on. Hope for the best. And we're back. We're smoking. And I got my water. Maybe I can reverse some of this brain drain. I'm feeling it. I let myself get a little too dehydrated. But once I start moving on things, I don't have to stop. So right now I'm just gonna try to weld together these broken bits. Somebody must have been leaning on these pretty hard. There's 2 or 3 broken armrests in this car. Right now I'm just using the plastic bits here, trying to get it to stick. If I need more, I have filler rod. I know this plastic doesn't exactly match the filler rod that I have, but it might be alright. Still pretty warm out here. It's going to take a long time for this plastic to get solid enough for me to let go. There we go. So this one I got to melt on into the outer panel, so I just got to be careful not to go too far. This one I probably will use some filler rod. I just got to get it tacked down. If anybody's wondering why I'm not using like super glue or anything like that, been there, done that, doesn't work. Or there's probably a reason why these things were all plastic molded to begin with. Oh, my aching back. Not bad. We got our armrest back. It's not all sunken into the door. Plus this, the plastic underneath the pad was all cracked. It caved in, which I didn't notice before because this was all sunk. Got that all welded up. Should be all right. mounting point in here that's completely broken off. Send a long screw down and then just plastic weld it. And once that's done, it should have a good amount of support. Alright, I'm going to call it good enough. It's getting late. I got to wrap this up. I'm going to see if I can just melt this insulation back down like they did from the factory. Might make a mess out of my iron. We'll see. Doesn't smell awesome. Let's get this back in the car. Alright, door panel's back on. Everything went together nice. The armrest is no longer collapsed. It feels good. It's coming around. Still got a lot of work to do. Like that. Tomorrow's another day. It's getting late. I gotta help the kid clean all this mess up. And then call it a night. And I'll catch you guys later.